What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Myles out of Dallas, Texas, and this is going to be the more quick review of this Keystone Cougar 30 BHS. This is a brand new bunkhouse floor plan from Cougar, meaning it has bunk beds in the back, bedroom up in the front here. It is a really unique design. Now, this is going to be the more quick walkthrough version. If you want a more lengthy, detailed version of a walkthrough of this Cougar and going more in depth about certain things, you can head over to my page and it is on there. There should be a link below in the description as well as soon as that is uploaded. But this is going to be the quick walkthrough. So you'll see the specs up here on the screen, and this Cougar 30 BHS, this thing here is a really great size for what it is. Being under 7,500 pounds, let's get the exact weight on it. Yeah, 7,320 pounds there on the dry weight, and a a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,500 pounds. Going to be a great size for modern half-ton trucks, and definitely any 3/4 ton truck for sure. You can see up on the roof here you have a white AC unit, so it's not going to absorb so much heat, which is great, and you have two of them. You see the other one's right there behind the solar panel, so you also have the 200-watt solar panel there as well. Single slide out on this travel trailer, and then you're going to have 30-pound propane bottles, a fiberglass front cap with an automotive glass windshield there. So that is actually a windshield that you can see out of from inside, but very dark tint. You have these amber colored LED docking lights up here as well. Spot for 2 batteries and a battery disconnect switch there. Coming to this side, you have an awning that's going to cover about 2/3 of the length of the RV. Got your 2 outside speakers there underneath there, and a big pass-through storage compartment. This is going to be your wiring panel here. This cover will cover that, so you don't have to look at it. But went more in depth on that on the more long form video. 2 entrances into this travel trailer. So that second door here is going to be access into the bedroom, which also allows you to get to the bathroom with the slide outs closed. Coming around this way, you have outdoor kitchen here with a capital grill. So it actually has a grill cooktop on the outside, and nice metal countertop surface there. Also have an outdoor shower hookup here, so an outside water source on your campsite. And then note there are no slide outs here on your campsite, so nothing eating into your camp space there. Coming along the back, you have a ladder to get up onto the roof. And then this is a little interesting. You actually have the spare tire blocking access to the storage door, which is pretty weird. But I was looking at it more and I was just like, I don't know where else they could have put the spare tire, so I guess they had to put it there, and they still wanted to give you a storage door anyways. Now that can be removed and you could reposition it, or maybe put the spare tire in the bed of the truck. You also have a spot for an accessory hitch down here as well, so you could put something off the back here and maybe mount it a little differently so you can still get into that storage area. But a little strange that it came that way. But I get it. I think they wanted to give you the storage door and give you the spare tire, and that's just the only way they could do it. So a little interesting. Prep for a backup camera, so you do have space for a backup camera there if you want to install a backup camera. And a nice little safety feature, this has reverse lights on the tail light there, which is very unique. Most RVs do not have a designated reverse light, so that's a nice little safety feature that this Cougar has as well. Coming around this way, this is a really cool storage access compartment back here. So really large space that you get into. You can see this is your bunk bed, and this will flip up, opening up all this space here with probably about 4 feet of clearance to the roof. You have access back into that storage area there too. So can store a lot of really convenient items here to get quick access to while you're on the road without having to go through the trailer to get to them. It's a really nice space that you have there. Cable-driven slide-out system on the slide-out box, and you're going to have auto leveling on this travel trailer. So you can see your auto leveling control panel there. You also have a solar charge controller here to monitor the charge on your solar panel, and you have inverter prep. So if you wanted to install an inverter to start getting power to some of your outlets from the solar as well, you can do that. You have 2 different dump stations here, so they're right next to each other, real close, but gray and black tank for the bathroom, and then gray tank for the kitchen area. And that is just about everything on the outside. Let's go ahead and head inside and take a look at this really cool floor plan. I'm really excited to show you all this. You also have a spot for a TV out here too if you wanted to hook up a TV outside. But really excited to show you all this. You have 12-volt heat pads on all of your water tanks underneath here as well, so really good climate protection for hot and cold weather, having the 2 ACs and 12-volt heat pads on all of your water tanks to keep them warm. As we come inside, look at how cool this floor plan is. Just gonna kind of give you a quick view of everything. So you have your kitchen all back in this area, the bunk beds on the back wall. And basically what Cougar did is they make a Cougar 25 RDS, which is a 5-foot shorter version of this travel trailer, where if you were just to take this and make it a booth all the way across and cut off all that, it's essentially the exact same thing. So they stretched that out, giving you the bunk bed space back here. And these are about the size of full-size beds for these bunk beds. So really large space there, 300-pound weight limit on this bunk. Then you open this up and you have all this storage back here as well. Plus you have USB and outlets up there, USB and outlets back in the corner, windows on both of them that will open up, and a privacy curtain that can give you privacy there as well for when you need that extra bit of privacy. Pretty cool setup here too, because you get an L-shaped booth, which is unique to this model. The Transcend from Grand Design is more of an entry-level version of what this is, and I think Cougar actually copied that floor plan, because Transcend has made that for a couple of years now, and Cougar just came out with this floor plan. But on the Transcend, you just have a 3-cushion sofa there, and this one gives you an actual L-shaped booth, which can make into a bed. This is a freestanding table, so you can move this around however you want. You could even take it out if you want. But that will collapse and allow you to take this back cushion right here, which can conveniently store underneath the dinette booth, but I just put it there for now. This can convert into a bed as well. Then you're going to have your recliners right here. So 2 recliners that will lay almost all the way flat. Very comfortable. They're the Allure furniture collection. Also have heat and massage on them as well. And then you have this really cool ottoman that it'll come with storage underneath there. So freestanding as well. You can move that around however you see best fit. All of your windows will have pull down blackout shades on them. So if I can get my hand up under one, under here. Oh my gosh, they got this up real high in there. Wow, that's really snapped up high. There we go. My goodness. There. Did not mean to make that look so difficult, but that zipped all the way up to the top. So kind of get it to stop right there so it's easily reachable. Nice little touch would be adding like a little drawstring to it so it's easier to grab. Now coming to this side, you do have a fireplace, so this will be an electric heat source. You don't have to run the propane to get access to. And then you have your TV here, touchscreen control panel that will link to your phone. Very quick and responsive with this new gen of the in-command system. Great amount of countertop and storage space that you have all throughout here. Really like that you have 2 windows in this kitchen area looking out into your campsite, plus 2 more windows there. And really got windows all the way around, allowing for so much natural light coming in. You'll have a dual basin sink. Really good, solid feeling cabinets with hidden hinges, so you don't see them from the outside. Storage space underneath the sink, and then a good size oven here as well. Not the absolute biggest, but definitely not the smallest. And these 4 pull-out drawers. The MSRP on this trailer here is $70,000 with all the added options on it. So basically, we do not sell RVs at the MSRP price. My job here, I am in sales, is to get you the best price possible. So if you text me at the number on the screen there, I would love to personally assist you in helping you make this RV yours or set up a time to come look at it. But this thing will probably sell somewhere in the $50,000 to $60,000 range. Coming over to your refrigerator, this will run off the 12-volt system, meaning your battery. So that solar panel is going to help keep your batteries charged. So this is always staying running. And a good amount of space in there. Next to that, this will be your designated pantry area. Coming into the bathroom, you have a wall-to-wall bathroom, which is going to allow for a ton of floor space in here. A shower that allows a height for somewhere around like 6'6" or so, maybe 6'7" potentially, with the way that that tub actually dips down. Plus you could plug that drain and actually get about 8 to 10 inches of water in there for a little tub setting. porcelain toilet, and then you have a stainless steel sink in the bathroom, medicine cabinet, and storage underneath here as well. Now, one of the best and most important things about the Cougar travel trailer is they all come with a king size bed. So this is something that a lot of people are looking for, is this king size bed in a bunkhouse. This definitely delivers on that. You're going to have a king bed here with an upgraded mattress. It's a Serta mattress, I believe. Still may not be perfect for everybody, but it's definitely not your entry-level RV mattress. I love this tiered system they have for your nightstands there. And then you get your USB port, outlet, and wardrobe storage. Plus the windshield lets in a nice amount of natural light, but you can block that off with a privacy shade that it does come with up underneath there. Storage all the way through here, actually pretty deep storage in that space. And then you have same wardrobe storage on that side. Door into the bedroom so you can get to the bathroom with the slide out closed and quick access to the bathroom. You have an AC in here as well. It does have a residential air filter in here and dual ducting system. So you can see you get two vents on here because you have ducting running out of both sides of the AC. And then you have a spot for a TV on the wall. So that is pretty much everything, y'all. Hopefully y'all appreciate this video and like it. If you did like this video, hit the like button down below and definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to see a more long form version of this trailer and see me go more in depth and in detail, a link will be in the description down below to see that. And that is all I got for y'all. Again, my name is Myles out of Dallas, Texas. And until next time, I will see y'all out camping.